And today let me introduce to you the SoundPEATS Air5 earbuds. How cool are these things? This is their latest offering. It's in a very cool case. I have opened them and looked at them. They're very compact. They're very comfortable in the ears, and you're going to love this sound. But before we get into all that, we're going to go ahead and unbox these. I want you to see what you get with them. We'll go over some of the specs and details, and I'm going to listen to them live on camera, if you can call that live, and share with you my experience, because I like to listen for basses, I like to listen for the highs and the mids to make sure you're getting that full range of sound. Let's go ahead and look inside. Alright, so here they are right here. Very clean looking box. They have a few little specs on the back right there if you want to look at that. Has things like playtime for 6 hours, 35 mAh battery in the earbuds, a 400 mAh charging case, 10 meter working distance, and a frequency response range there, if that means something to you. I'm not that much of a pro, so I'm not too worried about that. I just am more worried about how they sound. And if you look on this side, they have 15 millimeter dynamic drivers. So that's a 15 millimeter speaker inside these things. So that's going to help tremendously with the sound. Now let's go ahead and get these things open. And this is what they look like inside. And this case is a pretty unique case because it opens up like this. How cool is that? And these earbuds are very nice looking as well. You can see them right there up close. They have the rose gold on the sides. There's those big 15 millimeter dynamic drivers inside there. That's your sound port right there. They do have microphones in them, of course. They are fully functional, what you expect from headphones for calls and of course listening to music and all that stuff. Now we're going to see if there's anything else in this box. We do have a little opening right here, and that's going to be your charge cord. So you will get a USB to USB Type-C charge cord. Let's see if there's something on this side. Nope. But in the top, here's your paperwork. And this is going to have things like your user guide. They always give you little sticker sets like that so you can decorate your case if you want to. And you will have your warranty card. So let's go ahead. I'm going to bring the camera back up. I'm going to connect these to my phone to see how fast they connect. And I'm going to shove them in my ears and let's see what they sound like. Alrighty. So first thing is first, got to find my phone. And we are going to pull up our Bluetooth options. Scroll to the bottom here. I'm going to crack this case open and pull one of the earbuds out. I can already see them on the screen, and I'm not going to edit this part. I want you to see how fast they are connected. Just that quick. We're already connected up. Now, yes, I hear you. You're on. This one goes in this ear, and this one goes in this ear. They fit just like another very popular brand. This is kind of a common setup right there. You can see how they're in. And if you're wondering how well they're staying in my ears, I can just, there you go. Still nice and firm. And I have huge ear canals, so that's quite an accomplishment right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up some music. I know I can't share the music with you due to copyright and rules, but I'm just going to listen to something real quick. And I'm not a big reaction person, so don't judge off my reaction, but I'm going to explain to you my experience and what I hear. And I've reviewed tons of headphones from Bose to the cheapest of the cheap, so I have a really good idea of what to listen for. They get loud, I can tell you that. Ooh, AC/DC. Every time I hear this song, I think of Angus doing his rocking thing. Anyway, let's find something with some bass. Alright, enough of the 80s. If you want your 80s music to sound amazing, they got their stuff figured out with this set. I'm going to find some hip hop because I want to hear some real bass. I want to get those real lows because I want to see what kind of resonance I get with that. So let's find something here. Oh, party out. Okay, so yeah, you get your lows, you get your mids, you get your highs. They really knocked it out of the park with the sound on these. These are the best SoundPEATS that I've done to date. Now, I'm going to pull up their app because they do have an app, and I will screen record it and put it up on the screen on one of these two sides. I don't need to do the warranty yet. Okay, so I have it pulled up. You'll see it on your screen. This is the app that comes with all the SoundPEATS, and you can turn off and on noise reduction. Okay, it's on. Or you can go to normal mode. Now, you have an actual sound test with these. You can go through the app and it will play tones for you, and you let it know what you can hear, and it will actually adjust the frequency and the sound of these earbuds specifically to your hearing. How often do you get that? Okay, so right here when you touch this, what this does is gives you the custom touch controls, so you can actually set up the touch controls how you want them. And then on the bottom, if you click the little bar, you have presets. Like right now it's on adaptive EQ. And so if you push adaptive EQ, you actually start the test. And that's the little hearing test that I was telling you about, that's going to adjust the earbuds to your specific hearing. Now, if you look below that, they have presets. Like they have classic, which is for like classic music. You have boost for bass boost. You have treble enhancement. So like if I click on bass boost, they sound completely different. It actually brings out those lows a lot better. They have the bass reduction. I think that's what I called it earlier. You have treble enhancement. Now, they do have a customized one where you can hit the plus button and you can actually go in there and set your very own EQ how you like it. So it's very cool that not only do these sound amazingly well, that they are comfortable and fit well in the ears, but it's just icing on the cake to have the app that you can set up your own EQs, that you can use the preset ones. It has the adaptive hearing test. You can do the custom controls, and it's all on a very, very like beautiful app. I mean, the app's well made. Even when you set this up on the app, you actually select your earbud color, and it will actually show the ones that you have on the screen. So they just crossed their T's and dotted their I's. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.